And tell me, how long will brothers bury brothers? How long will the camel cry in the land of poets? How long will Somalia bleed? Since the fall of Sid Bar, the sky cracked open, no shelter from the storm. Clan against clan, neighbor against friend. We forgot we were one before the world drew lines in the sand. From Mogadishu to the village is dry. Mother still asking Allah why. Militia boys with borrowed guns, fighting battles nobody won. We shout justice but carry revenge. Build no schools but defend our clan's name. Politicians feeding on tribal flame. Divide the poor, then escape the blame. Why don't the wars ever end? Why does the hatred always return? Who is lighting the fire at night while the people are the ones who burn? Who benefits from broken land? Who profits from fear and guns? If we are one blood, one faith, one tongue, why are we still divided as sun? Foreign handshake, oil-stained deals, smiling wide while the country kneels. They sell us weapons, call it peace, sign agreements, but wars increase. Extremists promise heaven's gate, but leave behind a shattered state. Use Islam to justify pain, but Islam never preached this game. Corruption sits in government jails, stealing hope from public shares. Young men jobless, angry, lost, easy recruits at any cost. And social media spreads the spark, turning small disputes in the dark. One insult posted, pride inflamed, another generation changed. Why don't the wars ever end? Why does division always win? Who keeps reopening the wounds? Why don't we heal from within? Who benefits from broken trust? From checkpoints, chaos, dust. If Somalia rises united and strong, wouldn't that threaten the ones doing wrong? The enemy is not your cousin, not your neighbor, not your tribe. The enemy is ignorance, corruption, greed, and the lie that clan is greater than country. We share the same language, the same religion, the same ocean wind. So why do we fight like strangers? Why do we fight like strangers? Why do we fight like strangers? We must educate, not retaliate. Build institutions, not intimidate. Vote with wisdom, reject the thief. Hold leaders accountable beyond belief. Teach the children Somali before clan. Teach them unity, teach them plan. Invest in farms and books and trade, not just militias and barricades. Let elders preach peace again. Let youth create, let women lead. Let diaspora bring skills back home and plant the long-awaited seed. The wars will end when we decide that Somalia is greater than pride. When clan is culture, not a war. When justice stands for one and all. No one benefits when we fall, except the few who steal it all. But power returns to people's hands the day united Somalia stands. Mid-Nemo is not just a word, it is survival, it is power, it is our future. My power, it is power, it is our future, my power.